my name's Lucy, but everyone just basically calls me She Grows Veg, which is what I'm known as on Instagram. And that's where I've been sharing my journey growing incredible, interesting and unusual heirlooms for many years. And that's why I want to make sure that you guys can get a hold of all this really fascinating and unusual seed and try it in your own gardens, because it's something that I really love. Now, I used to work in fashion and I used to design jewellery for people like Cheryl Cole and Kylie Minogue, so very different from what I'm doing now. But because of that, I think it's really important that the things that we grow, that we're going to eat, are beautiful as well as delicious.
My name's Kate and I'm the business brains here at She Grows Veg. I've spent 25 years working in marketing and events, organising music festivals and working with some really big brands. I'm also a confirmed cook and foodie, so it's really important to me personally that our range of seeds absolutely deliver visually in terms of what appears on your plate, but also you've got a really exciting range of delicious ingredients to work with in the kitchen.
For so many reasons, it's never been more important that people start growing their own food. There's loads of eco reasons. It's a really tangible way that you can reduce your carbon footprint. There's lots of personal benefits to both your health and your mental health. And let's face it, it's also a really great way to take the pressure off your bank balance.
So we believe the more interesting and diverse range of seeds that we can offer you guys, the more likely we are to help people get growing. All of our seeds are open pollinated, sometimes known as heritage or heirloom. But all you need to know is that there are no man-made hybrids. We really want you guys to succeed with your growing journey. So we've created very different seed packs. We've created videos that are linked by QR codes on the back of every seed packet on how to sow and grow each variety of seeds.
So we are on a constant mission to find the most interesting, most unusual and most delicious crops from all over the world and bring them to you in our range, especially ones that have a really interesting story to them and perhaps haven't been available in this country before. We want to introduce our brand new seed company, She Grows Veg Heirloom Seed.
It's been born from a passion for open pollinated edible plants of every kind.
So we hope you're as excited about this as we are. And if you'd like to check out our seed, head over to our website and check out our range at shegrowsveg.com.